In this video, I'll show you how to upload live videos on Facebook page. This video is only for educational purposes only. Please make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your Facebook. Now, for you to be able to upload the live videos, let me say like you went live on Facebook and you love to record the live videos. Make sure you record the screen of you going live. So that is going to help you to be able to get your live video so as you can be able to paste on your own page. So you need to record your own live video yourself. So it's going to help you. So you're not doing it to others, you are doing it for your own self. So once you are done, you need to press on this. You need to press on this rail, or you can just tap on create a post. So you need to come on here. That's your live video. That's your live video that's just recorded. You're going to see the video and photo. So tap on it. You can be able to go there and select the live video you just recorded on your own personal page. So don't do it on anybody's page, do it on your own page. So tap on it. It's going to load through and you can be able to post it on your Facebook page. If you find it really helpful, please make sure you like, share and subscribe.